price of crude oil. Why? Because now you're into areas that we haven't seen in a while. You're into volatility areas that people are going to have a hard time trading. Your opinions and your trades are going to be very different. If you remember at the beginning of this, a while ago, right here, we made a long video. Said this was the trade of the summer, right here. We said this is the trade of the summer, right here, to buy crude oil. Look at this thing go. And we said the spreads, everything told us this is the trade. Then you get up to here and you see it's in a trading range, and then you get some news, which is serious news, and now this thing is off to the races. What we got to pay attention to now is the news is going to make you a reactive trader. So you got to be proactive. What is it leading to? Some of the news is how you're going to get oil to certain spots around the world. So it's not going to be producing oil. It's how do you get to the areas. So if they close down some of the conduits where you can transport oil, that's just the same as hitting production because it's going to be delayed. So it's delayed. It's not affecting production. So if you want to get oil and you're going to get it in 4 days, you might get it in 14 days now. So that's where you got to start pricing things. Keep this in your mind. News is going to move the market all around. The market is always, usually, constantly long oil. Everywhere on the planet, people are long oil because it's kind of a little bit of insurance on the economy. But the economy has been breaking down, so people aren't long. They actually were short, and that's what this was. This was a short covering squeeze. Now the spreads, which we looked at down here, told us so much that oil cannot stay down here. Now the spreads are just as bullish up around here. But if you want to trade oil, I don't know. It sounds a little dangerous because see where it is? In one day, it went from here to here. $10 in one day, 24 hours. You tell me, can you stomach a $5, $6, $7, $8 pullback if you want to buy it here? You want to go short and it goes in again into you? I don't know. We aren't. We cashed out. We were long gasoline. But the point I'm trying to make is this is untradeable now. So you have to be patient. Now everybody wants to know, everybody wants to learn about the oil market right now. You know what we learn about the oil market now? Is learn about it and wait for an opportunity. Not get in and then try to learn about it. That's how you lose money. If you missed a trade, you missed a trade. There are so many trades out here. But the oil market will tell us. It's been telling me this for years when the opportunities are here. When it stretches on the downside, when it extends on the upside, they show us, it's been shown us incredible. It's been a great signals for us. Right now, there are no signals. You got to watch yourself. We are so news driven. The difference now is you're approaching seasonal. Okay, there's been minimal demand. We have the least demand in gasoline that we've had in a long time. Okay, so that's bearish. So keep these things in mind. You got to pay attention to the fundamentals now. Now you look at gasoline. Now you look at heating oil. You look at the price of crude oil. Everybody's focused on crude and they're focused on news. Okay, we're focused on the products. Now this is the time of the year we start to look at gasoline and heating oil. When oil is at a cheap spot, we buy ExxonMobil, ConocoPhillips, Valero. They get to our areas, our targets, we sell them out. The only thing we've had on all year is the price is rig. That's the only position, our largest position. We see how that goes. Oil market, it's going to be very hard to make money. You're going to have an opinion. The minute you get in, you're going to be uncomfortable. Keep that in mind. There is no rush to be trading oil right now.